Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off trading posts on your Reddit app. We will go to now how we can do that on your Reddit. You just go up here and this is picture on app. You will click, then this is window show for you like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here in this window. Then you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come to account settings here in this window. Then you just go down, then you click here on manage notifications, then you come to a notifications window here in this window here like you say, then you just go down, then you come here to trading posts. You will just click here on this mark, and like you say, this color it's gone here, that's main trading post, it's turned off now. So like you say that, so you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. That's all. I wish you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.